Texenergy Infinite Air 5T. In the world of backpacking, every inch of space counts. Enter the innovative wind generator from Singapore, a game changer for charging your essential devices. Operating in 3 meter per second winds, it juices up your smartphone in just 4 to 5 hours. The 5T model, at a mere 1.6 kilograms, can be assembled tool-free in 5 minutes, thanks to its 360-degree rotation feature. Built to withstand extreme conditions from -30 degrees Celsius to 40 degrees Celsius, and winds up to 17 meters per second. The only drawback? The price, at $225, is as extreme as the adventures it supports. It's the future of portable power for those willing to invest in it. Taser 10. Introduced earlier this year with the powerful slogan, "Every second counts," the manufacturer aims to cut gun-related deaths between police and the public by 50% in a decade. The Taser 10 is a game changer with its 10 charges, enabling law enforcement to subdue criminals from up to 14 meters away. These charges travel at a blazing speed of 62 meters per second. Special programs enhance its functionality, making it VR compatible and providing crucial data for cloud-based reporting. Not to mention, a smart holster is now in play, instantly activating camera recording when a police officer draws their taser. It's a breakthrough for accountability and safety. Fontus. The world's first self-filling water bottle condenses moisture from the air, offering various models for different needs. From a bicycle attachment with a water-collecting porous layer to a standalone model featuring solar panels and heat exchangers, these bottles create condensation using temperature differences, much like the droplets on a chilled soda can. The resulting liquid is filtered, mineralized, and ready to drink in about an hour, providing approximately 500 milliliters, weather-dependent. With an estimated price of around $100, it's a game changer in hydration and sustainability. Stay refreshed no matter where your journey takes you. ASP Snapshot. Let's talk about advanced telescopic batons. ASP, a company trusted by law enforcement, has raised the bar. These batons shed 45% of their weight while keeping 98% of their striking power. For instance, the 41-centimeter baton weighs a mere 207 grams, folding down to 16 centimeters. Customers have over 60 combinations of mechanism, size, material, and finish to pick from, with laser engraving services available. The pricing is equally impressive, starting at just $167. It's a game changer in self-defense, bringing power and convenience to your fingertips. LiteCans. This inventive flashlight sprang from a camper's quest to safeguard their campfire gear from rain. What emerged was so ingenious that a Kickstarter campaign was born. The flashlight boasts interchangeable modules, accommodating a mini saw, compass, paracord or fishing line, screwdriver bits, lighter, and more. Plus, it's open for programming, letting enthusiasts customize button functions, light levels, and flashing modes. With a waterproof case, bright Cree XML diode, and a multi-tool clip, this flashlight is a camper's dream. While the initial campaign didn't quite make it, there's a good chance it might be relaunched. The flashlight initially sold for around $90, making it a versatile and affordable tool for outdoor enthusiasts. Spiked TONFA. Let's dive into an intriguing weapon known as the TONFA, adding an exotic flair to our collection. Its origins are debated, with mentions of China, Indonesia, and Japan. The TONFA's prototype harks back to a rice millstone handle and shares similarities in appearance with modern police batons. However, for those seeking more, spiked variations have been introduced. These detachable spikes, around 6 centimeters long, take the TONFA to a new level. Crafted from a durable 6000 series aluminum alloy, the spiked TONFA is about 56 centimeters long and weighs approximately 900 grams. Handmade in the USA, it comes at a price of around $240, offering a unique twist on this ancient weapon. Omniblade. This ingenious American inventor has combined 5 essential tools into one for hikers, hunters, fishermen, and outdoor enthusiasts, machete, hatchet, hammer, saw, and knife. The design is meticulous, with thoughtful details such as the hole in the blade that serves as a grip for the hatchet integrated into the handguard. On the opposite side, you'll find a hammer, and next to it are the saw teeth. This multi-tool measures 58.5 by 16.5 centimeters, weighing about 820 grams. Crafted from Japanese steel often used in survival knives, it's easy to sharpen with any rock. Nylon cords on both handles add comfort. All this practicality comes at a reasonable price of just $60. UMAREX HDX. Explore this exceptional product from a leading North American manufacturer of air guns and accessories, serving the needs of paintball enthusiasts and more. This rifle is a versatile choice for recreational shooting and home defense. It accommodates various ammunition types such as paintballs, rubber balls, and pepper balls, all in a .68 caliber package. With power options ranging from 7.5 to 16 joules, it's powered by two 12-gram CO2 cartridges and features a pressure indicator. The 16-ball magazine, optional features like a metal barrel, M-lock system, and Picatinny rails for accessories make it a comprehensive choice. Priced at around $1,100, it's a reliable companion. Sealskinz. Imagine owning waterproof and breathable socks backed by a lifetime guarantee. These socks are ideal for everyday wear, providing protection not just from water, but also wind, sand, dirt, and blisters. Their secret lies in a multi-layer design, an outer layer of nylon and spandex, a hydrophilic membrane in the middle, and an inner layer made of merino wool. Caring for these superhero socks is as easy as regular ones. They can be machine washed at 40 degrees and tumble dried. Available in various lengths and thicknesses for all seasons, they are handmade in the UK. A pair for cold weather costs $36, making them a hit among professional athletes and the military. HDP 50 Compact. In addition to the shotgun we discussed earlier, this company offers a .5 caliber pistol ideal for rubber and pepper balls. Please note that using paintballs could potentially damage it. However, it's a much more affordable option, priced at just $120. Designed primarily for self-defense, the pistol is approximately 25 centimeters in length, weighing just over a kilogram. It's built for ergonomic, snag-free performance, featuring an intuitive channel sight system. The magazine holds 4 balls, and the kit includes 10 rubber balls and 10 pepper balls. To fire the pistol, you'll need an 8-gram CO2 cartridge, and the pistol comes with 3 cartridges to get you started. Pocket Personal Distress Signal. Last year, the U.S. Coast Guard executed a daring rescue mission to save a tourist who had fallen overboard from a cruise ship. The search area spanned around 320 kilometers, and the watchful crew of a dry cargo ship and a helicopter equipped with a thermal imager played vital roles in the rescue. These compact signaling devices can be invaluable on many adventures. The flash is visible from 8 kilometers during the day and an impressive 16 kilometers at night, rising 46 meters, equivalent to about 15 stories. Its pen-like design and versatility make it suitable for kayakers, skiers, climbers, and more. The standard kit includes a case, 9 cartridges, and a firing mechanism, all for just $60. Pistol Handgun Pocket Knife. Ever wondered what happens when you combine a pistol and a knife? Well, this company did, and they've come up with a unique pistol knife. While it lacks a shooting feature, it's an absolute steal at just $20. You'll get a rugged blade made of 440 steel, complete with a handy saw-like section for quickly slicing through ropes. This knife boasts an overall length of around 20 centimeters with an 8-centimeter blade. It even includes a practical nylon sheath, making it a convenient addition to your belt. So whether you wield it like a knife or a gun, this extraordinary product will leave potential wrongdoers bewildered.